It is a very exciting time to be alive. I believe that it's the best time of the century. The amount of innovation taking place at the start of the decade is quite fascinating. Things like blockchain, cryptocurrency, NFTs are all world-changing things that are going to affect even our daily lives. But with all the innovation, we get a lot of confusion. All the great names and influencers in the world are competing to get their share of the pie and investing in a large amount of crypto. In this race, they have done some mind-blowing things. Like Elon Musk has decided that soon Tesla will accept Dogecoin for the limited edition merchandise they are releasing. Influencers already obtained the knowledge to grow in these new fields. But you newcomers are very confused about the difference between these new terms. Blockchain, cryptocurrency, crypto tokens. Don't worry, all of these questions will be crystal clear. So, stick till the end. Blockchain. To understand this technology, just keep in mind the game we used to play when we all were little, where we used to place blocks on each other. The system is the same as those blocks. Every block is filled with information and placed on each other. This forms a chain. This is called blockchain. This is a system that helps things like cryptocurrencies and tokens to run smoothly without any security threat and with full transparency. Let's clear the real confusion. Cryptocurrency. Well, someone wasn't satisfied by using other currencies. So in October 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto decided to create his own currency known as Bitcoin. That was the day crypto was born. And who knew it would change the world? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset and it uses cryptography to ensure the transactions are secured and cannot be tampered within any situation. The best thing about this currency is that it was designed in a decentralized manner. So cryptocurrency is not owned by any single individual, not even the creator. The value of cryptocurrency is determined in the same fashion as normal currency, supply and demand. Now for the tokens. The concept of tokens is completely different from cryptocurrency, and you'll find out why. Tokens are something that can have a physical form or benefits for owning it, or they can be digital. Tokens simply put are the things you can buy with cryptocurrency on the particular blockchain. If you see social media nowadays, NFTs are a very big thing, and they are one example of tokens. They are the proof of ownership of an actual product like art. Other examples can be smart contracts. All of the tokens are non-fungible. They cannot be replaced, and every token is unique. A painting was recently sold by Mike Winkelmann, also famously known as People, for $69 million. This can show you how valuable tokens really can be. They are the future. The most simple difference between the top 3 hot things were explained. And if you understood everything, you should learn more about it and get your share of the pie.